guys. All right, today we're tackling a big one. My very own bespoke zombie-proof forest shelter.
No mere lean-to for me. We're talking architectural marvel, designed right here.
See these interlocking supports? Pure genius. My engineering degree is really paying off.
Brains and brawn. It's a powerful combination, especially in the wilderness.
First, the foundation. Gotta select the perfect, load-bearing timber. It's all about balance, precision, and sometimes a little bit of prayer.
You know, this part looks easier on paper. Or on leaf, rather. Measure twice, cut once. Or, in this case, estimate twice, hope for the best.
Good old-fashioned elbow grease. My construction crew is very efficient. Behold, the initial framework. Sturdy as an oak, flexible as a reed. Perfect.
Now for the insulation. All natural, breathable, and slightly less rigid than I'd hoped.
Just a minor aesthetic choice. Adds character, you know?
Solid as a rock. Or, well, as solid as a collection of rocks and sticks.
A bit of settling. Standard procedure for any new construction. Wait, that's not settling, that's structural integrity issues.
Oh dear. Perhaps my calculations were slightly optimistic.
Well, that was unexpected. Or maybe entirely expected.
Anyone got a hard hat? Mine seems to be buried. A minor setback. All part of the creative process, right?
Oh. Come on, seriously? Now's not a good time.
Even you look disappointed? That stings a little, not gonna lie.
Don't judge my artistic vision. It's abstract.
All right. Back to the drawing board. Or maybe the blueprint leaf.
Thank you for watching my video, Spontaneous Deconstructions. Probably goodbye.